19 died at the Kintampo waterfalls. The victims, largely students of the Winchi Methodist Senior High School, were on an excursion and swimming in the water when the tumbling tree crushed them to death. Following the incident, the National Disaster Management Organization (NADMO) and the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture, in consultation with the Bono Ahafo Regional Security Council, ordered the indefinite closure of the Kintampo waterfalls. The Ghana Tourism Authority was asked to embark on a comprehensive safety audit of all major tourist sites in the country. The ministry has also hinted it will fast-track its representation to Parliament for the passage of the legislative instrument to enable the GTA regulate and certify these tourist attractions.
Went there 2 days ago, and we made the decision yesterday after being physical on the site. We ascertained that it was prudent to close it and actually take a safety audit, and not just at Kintampo, but across the nation, one site at a time, to ensure that no lives will be lost again to either natural disasters or man-made disasters. So it's only one decision that has come out of the stakeholder engagement that happened at Tampo and Winchi. There's a comprehensive management team will be put together. We do have an agency, the Ghana Tourism Authority, that actually takes on the advertising, the publicity, and the promotion of various tourist sites in Ghana. Will have the opportunity to sit down with the municipal assembly, the alluvial owners of the land, and to find out a proper management strategy with private stakeholders. We don't want it to be left at the instant caprices of the assemblies. It is not a thorough mandate by the assemblies to be doing business. Theirs is business and collection of revenue. We feel strongly after what we saw, and again, it's not a unilateral decision. It's a decision made by my good self with the support of the Vice President, Regional Minister, and the security agencies on the ground, that it's time we had this discussion nationally, that private sector needs to take a lead role in managing sites that has to do with revenue. The stark reality is there is a hotel built by a private person called Falls Palace Hotel right next door to the Kintampo Fall, and you can see the differences day and night because it's managed by a private person. They account for the money. The place is sparkling, clean, and organized.
Vice President Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia, joined by other government officials, reopened the waterfalls in November. He called on stakeholders in the industry to harness all their energies and resources towards its development for the benefit of all.
We should really dedicate ourselves to looking after the waterfalls, and this is why it is so important that the MOU, the Memorandum of Understanding, that is going to be signed today by the chiefs, the district assembly, the municipal assembly, as well as the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture. This new MOU will specify that all of us share the responsibility for looking after this precious gift from God.
The nation was shocked by the gruesome murder of Captain